Hello everyone. I have a very nice tip to share. Maybe some of you know, some of you don't, but I found it and I thought I'll share with you guys. I'm still working on this project where I have to make this calendar. It's an appointment-based calendar. And as you can see, I have all these events. And what I thought would be cool if I have vertical lines going from top to bottom. So it will just make it easy to separate these different days. And the way I have this approach, I'm using a grid. Is actually if you make a calendar with a grid, it's much easy to move things around like events. I'll make a separate video on that if the demand is high and if you guys request it. Anyway, so back to the topic. So to draw these vertical lines, it's actually easier than I thought, and it can be done with just one line. So this is my event container right here, and I'm just going to come over to the CSS, and the magical CSS property you can use is a repeating linear gradient. So I'll just say background, and then we will just say repeating. So I'll pick it up, yeah, linear gradient. And what you have to do is specify your linear gradient. So if you work with gradient, they just go in percentages. So you start at 1%, then when you specify another percentage, it'll be a next color and so on and so forth. So then, as I said, I want to go from left to right, so I'll just say to right. So that specifies my direction. If you specify angles like 0 degrees or 9 degrees, then it'll be tilted that way. Then I'll say that, start transparent, and that position is at 0%. So that'll be like right here, I want to start transparent. And then what I do is I'll say transparent, and then I specify 14.2%, right? Again, so I'm still transparent somewhere here. And then I'm going to specify the color that I want. So I'll just pick for gray for my taste. And then we'll just say, that's it. So as you can see very quickly, we've added these lines. The reason why it's 14, this magical number, is I have 7 slots, or you can say grids. So 1 divided by 7 is 0.14 something, and that's where this number comes from. And the best part about this is actually, if I resize my screen, it actually flows with it, which is pretty cool because I'm using that percentage. So it'll stretch and everything. Now you sometimes don't see it or see that because just the camera rendering, but it's actually there. So I'll just change the color just to show you guys how it starts. So you see how that's the start, and then I'll just say green. So this is the green part, and then I'll make this white. And then see these lines are white. So the last one, this means that it will repeat itself every that percentage value. So if you don't specify anything, then what happens is it'll just take all 100% of your entire container. So it's very important that you specify this last number, because then what happens is it will just do that much, and then it'll repeat itself. So since I want 7, that's why I'm using this number, because 1 divided by 7, and as I said, was that. So I hope that helped you guys. Just going to revert it back. And yeah, if you guys want me to make a video on how I did this event calendar, I can make a video on that. But ciao for now.